words she has been using, but I only talk about people's issue. That's what I used to do. But to insult my mother, who is suffering, who is already going through trauma, maybe she doesn't even like what I'm doing, but she has no choice to support me. And you insult her like that. And that insult really got me. Really. So it made me, I blocked Afia Schwarzenegger.
Ebusian for Munia Bema Limo Elikem Kwame Amega Ubetimi Afremi Efokent. I made a metro so and I made a summoner and now Jimmy Gwemudi and I make catch say Xposed DH who share open your Facebook, Instagram, I would YouTube no so share no be then and who assemble and I made them and then a near bar Akuapem Poloo. Nensem Mamunim say recently and Nensem by a chess and are converted to Islam. Now what can send be na and then oko interview na interview ni ye grante no na ye bisa ne se anya bia ye nua ba Akuapem Poloo untem ni Afia Schwarzenegger etisen semwa amunim se previously wa hwe ye nua ba omu ye slave queens na ne omu so omu ye self acclaimed celebrities won say ja sankomuko programs and parties asia. They have people they are more related and our bloggers need trouble pictures and they trap videos so won't confirm someone and now. But you never see Akuapem Poloo and Afia Schwarzenegger open say if you have Poloo so young cophobia also or yeah nobody trending but she's never related to and now who said now go the echo Afia Schwarzenegger lie. Now ye bisa no and then they bisa say ye near bad thing and was say oh media mini Akuapem mini Afia Schwarzenegger any problem na samaye ni boni mpo na asem wo yentema otumi ko extend to me ye me maame na me maame di anka waye ne den na me anga sami wo me maame ade a me ye o social media to bia me dey trend kra na ne nje ho. She's not happy with it already. Why traumatized but she has no choice say obe accept ya na obe take it by faith na wa support me what I say now. So if you Schwarzenegger to me the cameras in any so eh ya mo amunim say Afia Schwarzenegger also obe ye o obe to my ye na ne ye ba kwa ne rem feed as ahwefo manotis nu na so na obe ye wo trasimudi insema mo amunim emu ohirem obe ka kire what I say no to me ya Akuapem Poloo ma me poto Akuapem Poloo kra to me regard such say eno kra sanda ho no se omuko programs asea programs na ase na omuko no utumu say Afia Schwarzenegger to meet ya na so bia enye wo so obi wo wa obetumi tia na so aka sorry bo no otumi tia na so na yete chale akoye call le no wie ma shibo dente me tia na so pa cafe na hwe mebo eye me tia na so ma wakasa mebo wo ya mebo enu bi na oye no no so kire se onu de Akuapem Poloo mu hwe na oni ahon de oba abeko ntokwa onu de opo social media so benya endorsement tankofo beba na all advertising kofo nyoma ye de ama omo na ni brand okita na akoso enye ntokwa na oba beko no onu ahwa mo amunim Afia Schwarzenegger anu pokeke ebetumi abu no hands down enti eje bia on pe problem bia we created those things in other places and our pages omo ye den omo tan shieshia we created someone but we in any den efri so and the what's that actually say ever since Afia Schwarzenegger eji jane maame nti ono on social media no wa blocking Afia Schwarzenegger na ebusuafo wa blocking Afia Schwarzenegger mama yankwohwe video ni yede
My very own Schwarzenegger.
Afia Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. She has been doing videos. She used to do videos to attack me for no reason. And I used to see that as it's showbiz. But she did want to insult my mom so hard, which was uncalled for. The insult in it wasn't good at all because first, my mom doesn't even know you. And if anything, less insult me. I've never insulted Afia Schwarzenegger before in my life. I can't even insult her.
Was she your friend?
She wasn't my friend, but I see her as my big sister or my mom in the industry. And she, behind closed door, she talks to me. We are cool. But I'll wake up and I'll see her attacking me. And I'm cool with that because me too, I talk about celebrities. Though I don't insult them, Abua, Yakwasiani, those typical words she has been using, but I only talk about people's issue. That's what I used to do. But to insult my mother, who is suffering, who is already going through trauma, maybe she doesn't even like what I'm doing, but she has no choice to support me. And you insult her like that. And that insult really got me. Really. So it made me, I blocked Afia Schwarzenegger. I have blocked her for the past 3 years now for that insult. So that is it. She is the only person who has ever
Did you
heard.
ask her why she insulted your mother?
No, because I felt like I can't even stand her. The last time we met at was this thing, and she nearly stepped on me.
Yeah.
And yeah, she was dancing and she was dancing towards me. And it's like if you mess up, I'll beat you. That was the body language she was showing. And me, I can't fight Schwarzenegger, so I have to stay in my lane and comport myself. Yeah. Anytime, anywhere we go and she sees me, she tried to portray something like that. And I ignore it.
I for more money. If you Akuapem Poloo wakasa. Na mo hwe ni interview na mo say na say as Akuapem Poloo forget about say wako Islamic religion upon some abatutu ni nyom na. Now she talks out of a bit of maturity. Ne kasa so ayete wakasa utumu so tena wo dwen wo pa na wo yeden wakasa like and then wakasa makuma kra so wa utumi hwe video na wakasa na wo unim. Let me tell you something. The Akuapem Poloo episode change and say many aba eba. So no ni obi o issue and twen kasa my enemies will see. My enemies can see how my life is going. I want them to see my progress. Hey, uhwe no obi title, obi how ewa braboma. I am telling you hands down, blocking. Into ono ye na ma ye Afia Schwarzenegger and sensem I kokoko so no udie ono wa block Afia Schwarzenegger. Into whatever has anything to do with Afia Schwarzenegger ono ohu bi. I know aje bi a page bi and e posting wa ko ohu bi. There be. So it should also tell you says also wa obi title, obi mbu, obi regarded. Let those people clear off. Obi nsi ombu and tren kase wo be ye ya momo wa pa ocho. There be momu chin hwehwe. Block them out of your life. What I say, I ebusuafo me amedi dwumadi ebra na me catch us me di ne limo elikem kwame amega aha aye Xposed. Xposed we say we will bring you more. And then me the bro more. Ejumekura so ya say enyo bia say need roofing say improve bia mani ba chance so say den e ma from na omunu wo bedi ejuma what I say ahwefo makramo that's ende e be say share baba
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa ede aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasa krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda